town, and it goes by the name RVR. When you need to move your trailer, the RVR gets the job done with the press of a button. Want to talk convenient? Now you can move your trailer without the help of a spotter. Navigating obstacles and tight corners has never been easier because the RVR has an amazing 360-degree range of motion, allowing you to make turns on a dime. The RVR features 4 powerful planetary gear motors that work together to make moving heavy loads a cinch. Heavy-duty Caterpillar treads allow you to traverse all kinds of terrain, including asphalt, dirt, grass, and even gravel, featuring 3 weight classes from 3,500, 5,500, up to 9,000 pounds. There's a perfect RVR for everyone. Who knows, you might even find storing your trailer fun. The RVR from Trailer Valet. It's time to move.
Introducing OneUp, the first truly portable and ultra-compact life preserver that can be thrown exactly where it's needed. Once it hits the water, it self-inflates instantly. It's just as safe as a traditional life preserver, but it's 20 times smaller. OneUp's small size isn't just convenient, it's practical. It fits easily in backpacks, glove boxes, and beach bags, so you can always bring along peace of mind and keep you and your family safe every time. OneUp is simple and intuitive, allowing anyone to help when it's needed, no matter who you are or where you live. Boating outings, fishing, beach days, vacations, water sports. OneUp helps everyone make a difference by preventing drownings in their area. Its size and weight were carefully chosen to allow anyone to throw it precisely, even in strong winds or currents. It's a domestic security device that will change the concept about water safety measures. OneUp makes it easier for you to be part of the solution by making water safety simple and preventing accidents. Because it inflates on water contact, you can use it in 2 different ways. You can throw it easily and safely from long distances, or you can directly enter the water with OneUp and swim to the rescue zone if necessary. When you purchase OneUp, you'll receive the self-inflating reusable float, a carabiner for added convenience, a waterproof cover to protect it and guarantee its durability, and a sticker to signal the presence of OneUp in the area. OneUp is the world's most convenient, advanced life preserver that lets you bring peace of mind with you wherever you go. Be part of the solution. Get your OneUp today at oneupsaves.com. OneUp and get an extra life.
Hey everyone, we're Sepaboard, the team that designed the world's first smart sub.
Our patented award-winning design is bringing joy to people all over the world, and a lot of them said they would even like to have a Sepaboard just for the self-inflation. So here we are, introducing Sepaboards Air, the next step in the evolution of stand-up paddleboarding. All you have to do is activate the magnetic switch and let the rechargeable battery take over from there. It's so easy to fall in love with this sport. It's great exercise, and if you're as lucky as we are, you get to enjoy some pretty beautiful scenery in the great outdoors. Stand up. That's the first thing on our minds in the morning, and that's why we keep our boards so close at hand. Probably because they fold up so small that we can just stash it anywhere. And that small size comes in handy again when we want to hit the water. Just toss it in the back of the car and head off. Everything you need is right in your backpack, and you don't need to worry about a thing. Not even pumping. There's talk that paddleboarding is set to become an Olympic sport, but why not pumping? After all, that's the hard part.
That's exactly why I don't love pumping. With my SipaBoards Air, I just start it up.
To continue our mission of spreading the sport of paddleboarding, we developed the self-inflating SipaBoards Air line, whose technology makes sure that your eye-sup is always at the right pressure and hardness. As for the board itself, top-notch quality means drop-stitch technology that will keep your board shape for years, even if you take it on rougher water. And our Swiss quality control guarantees that the board you'll be getting is perfect. And our leash isn't just for your safety, it's also for carrying your board to and from the water. Smart, huh? The bag you'll be carrying your SipaBoard Air in is perfect too. Toss in your board, fold up the bag, and even store your collapsible paddle. But here's the best part. To truly customize your paddling experience, our new Air models come in 3 beautiful shapes. A cruiser, perfect for the paddler who wants to hit the water fast and paddle hard. A stable balance board for a moment of serenity in your favorite spot. And an all-arounder for families and fun lovers of all kinds, especially those who want to spend as much time in the water as they do on it. But no matter what your preference, your first board needs to be awesome. It'll be with you for years. So SipaBoards Air is not made just to self-inflate, it's also made to last. Be one of the first to feel how our state-of-the-art design will make it all the more tempting to sneak off and hit the water for a session.
And speaking of sneaking off, that's exactly what I gotta do. I'm off to a board meeting.
Do you ever get the feeling that you're constantly drained? In today's fast-paced, highly connected world, we're busier than ever. Instead of looking after ourselves, we spend countless hours worrying about our battery levels because we rely on technology for work, fun, and even dating. But what if technology was part of the solution instead of part of the problem? Introducing Hypercube. Wake up, recharged. Hypercube is an award-winning sleep aid, wake-up light, and alarm clock that can wirelessly charge up to 3 cheat-enabled devices. The Hypercube alarm utilizes gradually increasing light and sound for more natural wake-ups. Use the Hypercube app to create a custom light and sound alarm, or select one of the pre-programmed sunrise simulations. Hypercube is engineered to fast charge both Apple and Android devices, so you can charge your new iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch all at the same time. Or your Galaxy S, Galaxy Note, and LG G6. Whatever your preference, the 10-watt wireless charging pad on Hypercube can charge your phone up to 2 times faster than standard wireless chargers. You can also customize Hypercube with modular add-ons. For travelers, the power bank turns Hypercube into the ultimate wireless charging solution. For audiophiles, the Bluetooth speaker base provides an immersive sound experience. And when you leave the house, simply fold up Hypercube and take it with you for convenient wireless charging anywhere. With an adjustable 3-position design, the possibilities are endless. When it's time for bed, use the Hypercube app to tailor-make the bedtime routine of your dreams so you can fall asleep and stay asleep. But should you wake up, Hypercube makes taking care of business in the middle of the night easier too. This is Hypercube. Wake up, recharged.
You know that frustrating moment when your Bluetooth connection doesn't work? We decided to get rid of it. Meet Trippy, a wireless speaker with place-and-play technology. Trippy automatically plays music from your phone when it's placed on the speaker. Changing streaming devices has never been easier. Is it magic? No, it's called Place and Play. Trippy has 4 electromagnetic inductors that catch the magnetic fields created by your phone's speaker. The design is Scandinavian and the materials are environmentally friendly. We utilize the natural acoustic properties of bamboo. Trippy is designed to be brought everywhere. Now you can seamlessly interact around the music. Choose your favorite color and go Trippy.
Hey Kickstarters! My name is Alex. I'm one of the founders at Trippy, a Stockholm and Shanghai-based startup working on redefining the wireless speaker. So me and Eric have known each other since a long time back. I'm working in management consulting in Shanghai and Eric is working in a law firm in Stockholm. As you understand, we needed a fun project to work on. We wanted to create a social speaker, allowing more interaction around the speaker. And we wanted to improve this and package it in a very sleek Scandinavian design.
Okay guys, let's take this dream and make it real.
We got great ambition and we want to take this global. As you can see, people already talks about us online. But now we need your help.
Alright guys, now it's up to you. We want to bring this awesome speaker to life. You don't have to marry us, but please pledge us. We're gonna make Trippy great again.
See you at Sturehof.